안녕하세요. 네, 감사합니다.
영사관 오신 거죠?
네네, 맞습니다. I'm finally here. It's Korean embassy. I applied my passport like 3 months ago. Finally, I'm here to pick it up. There's a line. 여권 찾으러 왔거든요. 들어가도 되나요?
접수증 갖고 왔어요?
접수증. 아, 차에 있다. 죄송해요. 금방 가져올게요. I forgot the paperwork. Wow, I totally forgot about it. Let's go get that. 들어가도 될까요?
가서 찾으시면 돼요.
네네, 감사합니다. 줄이 엄청 기네요.
저희가 이제 시니어 분들 1시 반부터 일 보시는 거예요.
아.
저희 가서 서 있는 건 바보. 젊은 사람이 가서 서 있는 건 바보예요.
아, 알겠습니다. 네, 안녕하세요. 네, 여권 찾으러 왔거든요.
다 됐습니다.
네, 감사합니다. I picked up the passport. I'm gonna just heading to my town. I don't want to stay here. LA downtown is too busy for me. Like a lot of traffic, a lot of cars. Hi, table for one, please. Oh wow. Thank you. Do you think I can take film myself? Thank you. Hi, actually this is my first time. How does it work? I see. Can I go with this? Can I please have this one and Angus beef? I think that should be good for now. Thank you. Let's check out the self-serve bars. Yes. It looks good. Alright, let me get some bok choy. I love veggies in hot pot. What's this? Watercress. There's some mushrooms. There's bamboo. Just try little by little. And I love this mushroom. Okay. Tofu, corn, taro. Let's make sauce. Okay, let me make my favorite sauce first. Sesame sauce and peanut sauce mix. A lot of green onions, some cilantro, and some garlic, good amount. A little chili. What is this? Let me get some seaweed salad. There's seaweed and some edamame in it. Just get a little bit. And let's see if I like it, then I'm gonna get more. Let me try the sauce. I'm gonna add a little salt. I got some drink as an orange crush. I added some salt. Oh, it's actually a little salty. Yeah, I just put all the veggies in the broth. I think this is lamb, this is beef. I'm gonna put everything. Hungry. Look, I picked up the passport. Oh, they changed the color. It was green before, now it's blue. After this, I'm gonna go to a store, buy a hair wax. Last time I didn't buy, but this time I'm gonna go get it. And also, I'm gonna go to a Skechers store to buy my working shoes. My current working shoes, the sole is very, very flat. Maybe this is why I get leg pains. 맛있다. Thank you. This seaweed salad, it's kind of spicy. The thing, numb thing in there. I got some veggies and dessert and condensed milk on the side. So I'm outside. I'm gonna go to this store to get a hair wax. Oh my god, oh, they have another figure. Look at this. It's like taller than me. Wow. What a nice. Let's go. Alright, this time I'm gonna buy this. What? They're selling dumplings too. Look at that. Kimchi dumpling. Wow, they have a lot more items than before. Hey, this one, this ice cream. I bought it from Costco. It has a strawberry, red bean, and chocolate. That's so good. I mean, I was gonna make video about it and I finished most of it. Like, it has 12 pieces. I finished already 10 pieces. Oh, they have vanilla and matcha as well. They're so good, so good. If you see it, please get one. You're not gonna regret. Look at this little Hello Kitty. Wow. These figures. Oh, this guy is so cool. I love Dragon Ball. In English, they call this guy Goku, right? Goku. In Korean, we call him Sonogong. I wasn't really interested in any figures, but why I'm so excited to see them. Wow. In my opinion, this guy is the coolest guy in the anime. Wow. Now let's go get my shoes. Let's search where the Skechers store is. Hopefully it's close to me. Oh, I'm so sleepy. Every day, after lunch, I'm so sleepy. Oh, do I want to get a coffee on my way? Then let me treat myself. I had a good meal, got a hair wax, we'll get shoes and some coffee to refresh. Okay, where's Skechers? Let me see. Eh? They're in 0.3 miles away. Basically, it's right here. Where are they? Okay, let's go. Oh, I didn't know there is Skechers here. Look, it's a big store. Okay, let's get my shoes. Hi, where's non-slip shoes? 나 안 보이는데? Excuse me?
Yes.
Do you know where is non-slip shoes?
Non-slip, it's gonna be towards the back one.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
I should ask first. Yeah. Look at this store, it's so big. Really? Yeah, slip resistant. Well, I think this is the same one. My shoe size is, I think 11. Look at this. The print is gone. Okay, the other side. Yes, 11. I feel like they don't have 11. Never mind, they have here. I'm gonna try the one. Too big? Yeah, this size is different. It's so big. I can put my 2 fingers here. Wait, let me try 10. Actually, 10 is still big. My feet got smaller. It's a little bit big, and actually, when I walk, I can't feel the difference because my shoes here is like all damaged. 걸을 때 이 느낌이어야 되는 거구나. 오케이. 이게 맞는 사이즈 같은데? How do you think about it? I think it's good. Look at this, it's very old. Like, it's time to change. For sure.
Ready?
Yeah. Question, do you have discount for restaurant worker by any chance?
Where do you work?
Like just local restaurant around here.
Yeah, I could do a work discount.
Thank
It'll be
you.
25% off.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank
Have a
you.
good night.
Have a good night. Alright, I got the new shoes and I got 25% of discount. I think if you buy non-slip shoes for work, if you are working at a restaurant, they will give you the discount. So I saved around $23. What time is it? But at this point, I'm confusing. My shoes say it's 11, size 11. Now I bought new shoes in 9.5. So my shoes is ladies? Maybe, right? I can go home at 6. It's 5:05. I was thinking to get a coffee outside, but I can go home in just only 1 hour. So I'm gonna be, where should I go for an hour? And it's only 5, and look at the sky. Why it's so dark? It's gonna rain? I hope not. I'm a little bit afraid to go back home because I have to put all the things back. It's gonna be a lot of work. Where should I go? Oh, I'm actually thirsty. I have water in my car. I took it from home this morning. I can go to the park where me and Choba used to go. Let me show you the park. I will see you there, okay? I'm here at another park because the park I wanted to go is closed somehow. The parking lot is closed. I couldn't enter, so I'm here at another park. Let me show you. This park is very beautiful too. There's a little playground, baseball court. This park is when I just moved to the United States. It's near the first house I was living. My wife and I used to walk here along the baseball court, 5 rounds or even more, almost every night. Oh, smell the grass is really good. I'm gonna stay here for 30 minutes and going back home to take care of all the things I took out. And I'm thinking move my computer desk to another side and switch it to the sofa. Someone told me if I place my desk against the wall for both sides, I don't have to worry about the monitor falling down. I'm thinking to do that. I'm gonna have a sit here. It's kind of getting cold. I left the tripod in my car. I'm gonna go back to get it. There you go. Okay. Oh, this fresh air. It feels so good. You know, I work at a Korean barbecue restaurant. There's a lot of smoke. When I breathe at work, it's kind of hard to breathe. These little lights are very nice. I'm looking very good in the camera. I got a problem. I need pee-pee. Just 30 more minutes, then I'm good to go home. I had lunch at like 2:30. Maybe I'm going to skip dinner tonight. I remember something. Chobar was very young. We came here and we met an English bulldog. And she was very old. I think she was like 7 or 8. Yeah, they were kind of playing, but he was too young and so hyper. He wasn't really get along with other dogs, but somehow if he sees the same breed, English bulldog, he gets along so well. He's very heavy and fat and he's very strong. So even though he didn't intention to look like aggressive or something, but to another dog it's too aggressive. He didn't have much friends. I miss him. Let me take out my computer. Look at this case. I have this case, so I'm not afraid to take it outside. Oh, that's pretty tired. And I slept so much last night. I slept like 10 hours. I woke up like 2 times during the night. I woke up almost like 10:30, 11. Because last 2 days I worked and I had to arrange all the things for pest control. Maybe that's why I was actually very tired. And last night I slept so long. Oh, I have no internet. I didn't realize it. Let me connect to my phone. I just remember. My brother told me he wanna visit me end of this year. He came here like 2-3 years ago. 2 years and a half ago, I think. And that time I had to work. That time I had 2 jobs. He came here for like a couple of weeks and I didn't really have time to hang out with him because I had to go work 5-6 days a week and yeah, I had very limited time, so we couldn't enjoy any. So this time, what I want to do is I want to save some money so I can take like a week or 2 weeks off from work, and I want to go to a cruise with him, the short ones, like 3 nights, 4 nights to Mexico. I think it will be very fun, right? That's my plan. I'm gonna work really hard. I'm going to make it happen. Oh, it's very, very cold. The weather is kind of weird. Afternoon, it's really, really hot. And after sunset, evening, it's very cold. This kind of weather, we really have to be careful. This weather is so easy to catch a cold. Don't catch a cold. I feel like I'm gonna catch a cold. Hopefully not. So tonight when I go back home, I'm gonna put everything back, shower, good sleep. And from tomorrow, I'm gonna make a lot of videos again with this new work setup. So exciting. Today time flies. Like this morning I woke up at 10:30 and I went to LA downtown and come back, had lunch, went to the store to buy a hair wax, another store for working shoes, and now at park. It's already almost 6 p.m. spending time outside on my day off is actually pretty good. I think I should do this sometimes. I feel like I'm gonna sleep so well tonight. I'm gonna go back my home, stay in my car for the rest of time. And thank you for watching the video today. I will see you in next video. 이모 삼촌들 good night.